How to send money from the USA to Philippines through the GCash application. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how in today's video we'll be giving you a breakdown. So for that, if you want to send money, you can not do it directly within the GCash application. You need to use different global wallet partner or any other third-party application such as Wise or Zoom or Western Union or Remitly or different options. So you may just go ahead and follow up the process. And once you open up, for example, Wise account, you can sign up for Wise account if you already don't have one, log in into account. And once you are logged in, you can just head over and navigate to the send money page within the application. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you need to ensure that you have the recipient's details and including their mobile number as well. You can specify the amount that you want to send in USD. And after that, enter the recipient's wallet address as well. After that, you may just go ahead and review the transaction details, confirm the transfer, and you can use being a bank transfer, ACH, or card. Follow up the prompts to verify the transaction and complete the cash in. And that way, you will be able to send money from the USA to Philippines using the GCash app. And that is it. So therefore, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.